Unbelievable. Sussexes fans spark a fury in public over their sick posts about Queen's health. Her Majesty was discharged, with Buckingham Palace saying she was in good spirits after preliminary investigations during her visit to hospital. It was believed her medical team acted out of caution to have her admitted to King Edward VII Hospital in Marylebone on Wednesday. And the overnight stay, her first in a hospital for 8 years, was for practical reasons. Yesterday afternoon her Major, 95, was understood to be back at her desk at Windsor Castle. She was said to be reading her official government red boxes and is expected to recuperate for the rest of the week. The palace said, following medical advice to rest for a few days, the Queen attended hospital on Wednesday afternoon for some preliminary investigations, returning to Windsor Castle at lunchtime today, Thursday, and remains in good spirits. Her admittance is understood not to have been related to coronavirus. It was believed the Queen stayed the night in hospital as it was getting too late to take her on a 26-mile trip home. She was not thought to have had an overnight hospital stay since March 2013 when she was treated for a stomach bug at the same hospital. A palace source said that the overnight stay was for practical reasons and the Queen was working on Thursday afternoon, undertaking light duties. Many royal fans took to social media to extend well wishes for the monarch and wish her a speedy recovery. However, the royal commentator Richard Eden blasted fans of the Sussexes for posts they shared while the sovereign spent a night in hospital. Mr. Eden said he had seen fans trolling, and tweeted one fan's account as an example. Taking to Twitter, Mr. Eden shared screenshots of tweets from the account at the Madam Duchess which discussed shopping for a coffin for the monarch. He wrote, "There are some disgusting posts about the Queen from Harry and #Meghan fans. #royal." The screenshot he shared shows 2 tweets, and the first reads, "BRB am shopping for coffins for the Queen" alongside a meme of someone walking quickly into the distance. The second post from the same account reads, "Don't worry Queen, I got you at Royal Family. Which one do you want now? Stainless steel? Mahogany? Oak?" It was coupled with screenshots from a coffin website. Mr. Eden wasn't the only one who was unimpressed by the tweets, as many other users blasted the account for being disgraceful and disgusting. Roland Marks, a keynote speaker and commentator on Israel and the Middle East, tweeted from her account at Roll Marks to say, "This is disgraceful? Have they been reported to the authorities?" At Taxa12060811 added, "I have no words for the lack of humanity it would take to post something like that about another human." While at Rebeltroop blasted the fans as an absolute disgrace and many others said they had reported the original tweets. Prior to the monarch's night in hospital, Her Majesty has undertaken an impressive 14 engagements over the last 3 weeks. The latest saw the head of state host a major global investment summit at Windsor Castle on Tuesday evening. The Queen was joined by her heirs the Prince of Wales and the Duke of Cambridge at the reception. The guest list boasted leading figures of innovation including Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates and U.S. climate envoy John Kerry. In recent weeks the monarch, who celebrates her Platinum Jubilee marking 70 years on the throne in 2022, has been seen using a walking stick. She was first pictured using the walking stick in public when she attended a service marking the centenary of the Royal British Legion. The Queen was seen using it during appearances at both Westminster Abbey and the Synod, Cardiff, but not during Tuesday's Global Investment Summit.